thoughts flew like sparks through air, but meaning faded unaware. Now I sit where silence grows to learn what truth my heart still knows. Echoes of thought return to me, whispering what I need to see. I speak with care, I breathe with grace, align my words with my own space. The noise outside begins to fade, reveal